A 1, 2, 3, 4. I told you so. I told you so. Yeah. I told you. Remember when I told you about 9/11? Remember when I told you about Building 7? Remember when I told you about the fluoride in the water? Yes, I did. Remember when I told you about the New World Order? Remember that? Remember when I told you about the chemtrails in the sky? Remember when I told you that NASA was full of lies? Remember when I told you about the ultra mind control? Well, I just wanna say that I told you so, yeah. Remember when I told you about 432 hertz, that is, and what 440 can do to you? It hurts my ears. Remember when I told you about the vaccine agenda? Yes, I did. And that Michelle Obama is a transgender. Yes, he is. The dinosaur fraud, the climate change scam, and yes, Sandra Bullock is also a man. Remember when I told you that there ain't no globe? Well, I just want to say that I told you so. 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 Yeah. Remember when I told you about the TV flicker rate? And how it puts your brain in an alpha state? Remember when I told you about germ theory? Remember when I told you about gravity? Remember that? Remember when I told you about Paul McCartney? Remember when I told you about direct energy? Remember when I told you about Monsanto? Well, I just want to say that I told you so. 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 Yeah. Remember when I told you about the mainstream media? Yeah? Your so-called celebrities and pedophilia, child trafficking and adrenochrome. Yeah, remember when I told you about the Georgia Guidestones? Remember that? Remember when I told you about the false flag operations? Remember when I told you about 5G radiation? Remember when I told you that COVID was a hoax? Well, I just want to say that I told you so. 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 But you didn't listen. Yeah. Oh, I told you so. after all this time, you feel that something is wrong. You feel that something's going on. Your whole world is spinning and you're ready to give in. You've been lost in space from the very beginning. You feel so insignificant. Your life is so ambivalent. There's nothing like imprisonment to see your own predicament. Yeah, you're spinning out of control, man. You're lost in space. You need to come back down. See, can you find the key to your mind? It's been in front of your eyes the whole damn time. I know that you can see it, but you just can't believe it. I'm gonna take your mind and I'm gonna free it. Cause you are not an animal spinning on a waterfall. Is that what you really thought? Come on, level with me. Yeah.
Research flat Earth.